once again clarified an important aspect of criminal law under Section 149 of the Indian Penal Code. Mere presence at the scene of a crime does not automatically make someone part of an unlawful assembly. The case stemmed from a violent incident that occurred in Bihar's Katihar district back in 1988, where several people were charged with serious offenses, including Sections 148, 149, 307, and 302 IPC. 10 individuals had been convicted for their alleged participation in the mob violence, but the Supreme Court found the evidence against them too general and unspecific to justify their conviction. The court made it clear that to hold a person guilty under Section 149, it must be proven that they shared the common object of the unlawful assembly. Simply being present at the scene, even if the incident turns violent, is not enough to make someone criminally liable. The judgment outlined key factors to identify whether an individual shared that common object: the time and place of assembly, conduct of members, collective behavior, motive, manner of the incident, type of weapons used, and nature and number of injuries caused. Through this framework, the court emphasized that each accused person's involvement must be evaluated independently. Where large mobs are involved, courts must exercise utmost caution to avoid punishing innocent bystanders. Citing the landmark precedent of Masalti v. State of Uttar Pradesh, 1964, the judgment reiterated that conviction in mob-related crimes should rest on consistent and credible witness testimonies, ideally from at least 2 or 3 reliable sources, that specifically connect an accused to the unlawful act. In this case, the prosecution could not prove that the 10 accused shared the mob's intent or participated in any overt act. The evidence was found to be vague, collective, and lacking clarity. As a result, the court held that the convictions could not stand and acquitted all 10 individuals. Case title: Zainul v. State of Bihar, citation 2025 Live Law SC 979. The ruling once again underscores that criminal liability under Section 149 IPC cannot rest on assumptions. It must be backed by clear, cogent evidence linking each accused to the shared object of the unlawful assembly.